Johnny, where are we going?
We're gonna go make some pizza, Vincenzo.
Andiamo! This is the best.
Oh, it's crazy. Today I'm gonna do a little variation of one of the most famous pizzas. Bit of some MARZANO tomato. Beautiful. Look at that. We're gonna put some beautiful basilico because I love basil. With this one here also, I wanna put a little bit of oregano, like that. Extra virgin olive oil, a nice amount for this pizza. Just a little bit of cherry tomato, diced up very fine. Beautiful. Again, 3 fingers on the bottom, crimping here, and we slide onto the pizza peel. We then correct the pizza on the peel like that. And now we place the pizza into the oven. Very, very simple technique. Place it where you want to put the pizza and a nice flick out. Very important. A lot of people make the biggest mistake is they get the pizza or they go like that. The best way is from the side. And also when you want to turn your pizza, you always bring it out. You then turn it here in front and you place it back where you're cooking. Never turn the pizza inside the oven because what you're doing is you're picking up any ash. You want to reduce as much ash as possible. So the other thing is you can see I'm not lifting my pizza up in the air all the time because it's really important to have that natural cook on the base, on the top, from the flame, right? Very, very important. That's what makes a good pizza napoletana. We don't want to pick up the pizza and cook in the air on the next to the flame. Pizza's nearly ready. Look at the color of that. Beautiful. One more. Right, and we have now cooked our pizza. One little pull up, and out. Now have a look at this pizza. The bottom cooked, nicely cooked, as you can see, nice and soft. Very, very easy to fold. And you'll find that when you eat this pizza, Vincenzo, you're gonna want another one. So what I do is, because I love doing this, I like to rip the mozzarella with my hands. And we place this beautiful all the way, nice and even, all over the top. And if you like, you can place some oil over the top. It's up to you. I just like putting that because it gives the mozzarella a little bit of shine. And voila, we have a revisited, I call, pizza la regina. Let's eat. Have a look at the cell structure within the dough. Okay, this indicates the pizza napoletana has been cooked perfectly. We still have that beautiful softness, little bit of crispiness, the bounce back, which is important. The dough is bouncing back, which means the pizza has been cooked correctly. Vincenzo, I'm starving. Dai, let's eat some pizza, yeah? We need to make people understand also, how do we eat pizza napoletana?
Right.
Allora, there's 2 ways.
Yes.
One, we fold the 2 ends and we fold that part in and we eat.
The pocket version.
The other way, the most traditional way,
Oh, wow.
we fold it in like this.
You need to be an engineer to do this.
Bravo.
Very light dough. Beautiful flavor.
Beautiful.
The fresh mozzarella takes the pizza to the next level.